As installation designs become more complex, so does your need to easily create and visualize detailed equipment racks. With 3D rack workflow and panel visualization, you can intuitively bring your equipment into your racks from the schematic and create a custom panel for your clients and technicians to understand the design better. Equipment items are represented as 3D parametric objects and contain all the necessary dimension information in the device's symbol definition. When placing the equipment, the preview will rotate dependent on whether you are floating over the front or rear of a rack. The equipment will be placed in the nearest rack unit position available. You can also use Edit in Multiview to mimic the 2D drag and drop workflow. You can model equipment racks in a variety of different configurations, whether it be 4-post, 2-post, console, or enclosure, along with the ability to create rack trays and versatility with various scenarios when making and naming slotted rack frames. Layout rooms represent the real-world locations of your racks. Layout rooms are drawn with a 2D boundary, but can also be given Z height from the layer values or be set in the OIP, allowing you to stack multiple racks while allowing ease of equipment separation between those differing vertical zones. For instance, 2 wall-mounted enclosures holding separate equipment. To document the 2D representations of your rack or groups of racks, the Create Rack Elevation command will create a front and rear view based on the rack location onto the selected sheet layer. From here, you can annotate and label the view however you like. You can also create a formatted equipment worksheet to save you time from having to create your own. For equipment items with optional modules, adapter slots allow you to represent these modules, which can then be placed on the equipment item in the 3D equipment profile. The adapter slot can be linked to a device on the schematic if the two have matching name parameters. This allows you to create multiple module variations for your equipment that can be saved for later use. To help your client and contractors understand your design configuration, connection panels can be generated with accurate connector depictions, whether using sample panels or creating your own. The panel builder helps you set up the accurate amount and layout of these connectors and then provides a layout screen for you to place the connectors on your panel. These panels can be created from your schematic, or you can create the panel first and then generate the corresponding schematic devices from the Object Info palette. With your schematic designs getting more and more complex, the workflows to create your equipment rack should feel easy and intuitive without lots of back and forth over your document. To learn more about ConnectCAD features, please visit Vectorworks University.